Okay, so we are about to go to the shops and do a massive food shop, and it's actually our first big food shop, so I'm very, very excited. We wrote a massive list of all the stuff we need to get. So we're first gonna go to Aldi because cheapest, and then we'll go to Woolworths to see like other little stuff. So yeah, as you would have seen already this morning, we did a lot of cleaning, and so the apartment's looking really good other than our room, as I showed, it's not looking good. Yeah, it's not okay. But we really need to do a food shop. We meal planned as well. We're gonna treat like Sundays as our cleaning day and our just like prep days for the week.
Oh yeah, I was thinking like $4 for a diffuser.
No, we can get a nice one.
Smell like that.
Buy one like a nice organic one.
Oh, okay.
Do you think you've ever done a shop this big in your entire life?
I mean, other than with my mum.
Yeah.
Never on my own.
This is crazy, oh my god.
You're not gonna ruin the fridge for me.
No. For anyone who loves almond butter and usually shops at Coles or Woolworths, come to Aldi because this is 100% almonds and it's only $5 opposed to like $8 to $10. Okay, so the first shop is done. You can see we've got all of that. All of it came to $150, which I thought was really, really good, especially because we can divide it all by 3. Makes things so much cheaper.
Where's our people pound?
Also on the haul, Sam bought an Xbox. You better put that in. If that isn't in there, I'll flip in my shit.
We're back now, and I thought I'd give you a haul of everything we got. This is like a massive, massive grocery shop. Like we've literally got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags worth of stuff. Never done a shop this big ever, and it's very exciting. So I thought I'd give you a haul, show you kind of like the budget of what we'll be doing.
Sorry.
You always do this, you just talk. Starting off, we went to Aldi, and that's where we did like the majority of our shopping. Tomatoes, lots of bananas. These ones are to freeze because they're all brown. And then also just some normal bananas for eating. What are you doing?
Beer.
Some carrots, mushrooms, chicken. If you're wondering what all the noise is behind the camera,
The mighty Thanos.
this is what I live with now. Some salmon, bag of avocados, some broccoli, a couple of sweet potatoes, apples, seasoning for tacos, lemons, a lime, some pasta, cucumber, spring onion, olive oil, lettuce, potatoes, coconut milk, can of corn, black beans for our burrito bowl.
Do we get the corn chips for the burrito bowls?
Oh, that's right, you don't put corn chips
In a burrito bowl, but like, you just use it as a fork and you just dip.
A fork?
No.
That's nachos.
That's a nacho, that's what I said!
Right, so the cheese melt.
Comment down below, do you put corn chips in burrito bowls or not?
No.
You don't put them in the burrito bowls.
A burrito bowl is what's in a burrito in a bowl.
3 cans of tomato, diced tomatoes, a couple of cans of tuna, tin beetroot, pepper, green curry paste, ginger powder, rice noodles, refried beans, some arrowroot powder because I want to make some carrot cake, parsley, which is disgusting.
Yeah, I'm with you on that one, love.
It's disgusting if you eat it by like lettuce.
Almond milk, this is on sale. This is peach kombucha, so I'm very excited to try this. Some cashews, capsicum, frozen berries, some frozen veggies, and some pumpkin. Okay.
And we got some Turkish bread.
Oh, and some Turkish bread, sorry, forgot that.
Xbox.
And an Xbox. This is everything that we got. As I said, it's a massive just like shop lot just for convenience at the moment. I want to like find a farmer's market, but this is just good for budgeting, like budget shopping. So yeah, this is our first big food shop. Now, as you can see in the room, we've recently just brought like all of our clothes down. So this is all of the clothes that we need to put away in our wardrobe. So now everything outside is clean, but this definitely needs to be dealt with. Okay, so it's a few hours later. I've just spent the past like 2 hours in the kitchen making a recipe for my recipe book, and it's currently baking. It smells so good. It's a carrot cake and I'm very happy with how it's turning out so far. I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek of that. I'm definitely going to be having for dessert tonight. But now we have been doing some loads of washing and starting to deal with all this. I know it doesn't look that much better, but like it's definitely an improvement. And then in here I've been starting to put my skincare and stuff. I've got like my makeup in these and I want to get some more of those. Those are just from Target, I think, but there's not even like half of it in there so far. I feel like today has been quite a successful and productive Sunday. Do you think so?
Yeah, but I think it went really quick.
Yeah, it did go really quick actually. It's my time for my carrot cake, so I'm gonna go check it. That's the carrot cake that it's looking right now. I'm gonna make some icing as well, so I'm soaking some cashews for that. But it honestly smells so good. Okay, so I'm just ticking off all of the things that I wrote down for my to-do list today. I thought I would film it because this is like my favorite part of like a productive day, is ticking everything off my to-do list. So we did the washing, we cleaned the bathroom and room, cleaned the living room and kitchen, we did a big food shop, meal planned, and we meal prepped. I made a recipe, I did the admin. I didn't do that, so that's what I'll do tomorrow. I drank 3 liters of water and I didn't do that, so I have to do that tomorrow. All in all though, I think that's a pretty productive day. So I really hope you have enjoyed today's video. I feel so organized and just like ready for the week. I love having days like this. Like honestly, these are like my ideal days. Like those days where you just feel productive but you're also kind of relaxing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing the weekly food shop as well. That's probably going to be a pretty standard food shop, I would say, because those are the kind of meals that we're making. Things like burrito bowls, noodle stir fries, salmon and roast veg, curries, stuff like that. Like I feel like that's just like a very typical weekly food shop. Probably just like a little bit more expensive than usual just because we're getting some basics that like you won't buy every week as well. So yeah, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you would like to see more, and I will see you in my next video.